Welcome back to Simplexity Kids.
This is Guess the Fruit in 5 seconds. It might sound easy, but the quiz gets harder as we go.
Before starting, please subscribe to the Simplexity Kids channel for more exciting quizzes.
Let's begin. What is it? Apples. Any idea? Bananas. You are right, it's oranges. Time is up. Grapes. Good job. Tomato. You know this one. Avocados. You are doing great. Blueberries. What is it? Kiwi lime. Are you able to guess? Peach. You are doing great. Pineapples. What is it? Strawberries. Any idea? Cucumber. You are right, it's a olive. Good job. It's raspberries. Time is up. Dates. You know this one. Melon. You are doing great. Cherries. What is it? Mango. You are doing great. Cranberries. What is it? Apricots. Any idea? Fig. You are right, it's a cantaloupe. Good job. Lemons. You know this one. Passion fruit. What is it? Zucchini. You are doing great. Gooseberries. Are you able to guess? Eggplant. You are doing great. Pumpkin. What is it? Vanilla bean. Any idea? Elderberry. You are right, it's a poisonberries. Good job. Prickly pear. You know this one. Quince dragon fruit. You are doing great. Nectarine. Are you able to guess? Kumquat. How many different fruits were you able to guess? Guess the bird in 5 seconds. It might sound easy, but the quiz gets harder as we go. Let's begin. Are you able to guess? Sparrow? What is it? Robin? You are doing great. Blue jay? Time is up. Cardinal. You know this one. Crow. Good job. You are right. It's a pigeon. Any idea? Seagull. What is it? Eagle. Are you able to guess? Hawk. What is it? Owl. You are doing great. Hummingbird. Time is up. Woodpecker. You know this one. Finch. Good job. You are right. It's a swallow. Are you able to guess? Starling. Any idea? Blackbird. What is it? Magpie. What is it? Wren. Chickadee, you are doing great. Time is up. Titmouse. You know this one. Jay, good job. Thrush. You are right. It's a warbler. Any idea? Kingfisher? What is it? Heron? Are you able to guess? Crane? What is it? Pelican? You are doing great. Duck? Time is up. Goose? You know this one. Swan? Good job. Puffin? You are right. It's a albatross. Any idea? Falcon? What is it? Kestrel? Are you able to guess? Vulture? What is it? Cormorant? You are doing great. Tern? Time is up. Gull? You know this one. Osprey? Good job. Stork? You are right. It's a sandpiper. Any idea? Egret. What is it? Ostrich? Are you able to guess? Emu? What is it? Kiwi? You are doing great. Toucan? time is up. Flamingo? You know this one. Peacock? Good job. You are right, it's a parakeet. Any idea? Cockatoo. How many different birds were you able to guess? Let us know how you did in the comments section. Thank you so much for playing.
Hello, adventurers! Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the heart of the jungle. Our mission? To guess the animals lurking within these lush surroundings. Are you ready? Let's begin with the fiercest of them all, the predators. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel for more fun and learning videos. Our first category features the apex predators of the jungle. Can you identify these stealthy hunters? What species of animal is this? Tiger. With its striking orange coat and black stripes, the tiger is a symbol of strength and stealth. Watch as it prowls through the undergrowth, ever watchful for its next meal. Can you guess the name of this animal? Leopard. Sleek and agile, the leopard is a master of camouflage. Can you spot its rosette, spotted for blending seamlessly with the jungle foliage? What animal is this? The cheetah. The cheetah is like a superhero in the animal world. It's super speedy and has cool spots all over its body. Imagine a cat that can run faster than any other animal on land. It's like a real-life superhero racing across the grasslands, chazzing after its dinner. What creature is this? Anaconda. Slithering silently through the waterways, the anaconda is a formidable predator. Will you be able to recognize its sleek, muscular form as it hunts for unsuspecting prey? Can you name this animal? Crocodile. A prehistoric predator, the crocodile lurks beneath the surface, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to strike. Can you spot its telltale eyes peeking above the waterline? Fellow explorers, in our quest to uncover the mysteries of the jungle, we now turn our attention to the gentle creatures that inhabit these verdant lands of prey. What species of animal is this? Deer. With their elegant antlers and wary eyes, deer gracefully navigate their forest home. Keep a lookout for their cautious movements among the trees. Can you guess the name of this animal? Monkey. Agile and playful, monkeys swing through the treetops with ease. Will you spot their mischievous antics as they forage for food? What animal is this? Gazelle. Fleet-footed and alert, gazelles are masters of evasion. Can you catch a glimpse of their graceful leaps across the savannah? What creature is this? Rabbit. Small and swift, rabbits dart through the underbrush with lightning speed. Keep your eyes peeled for these elusive creatures. Can you name this animal? Sloth. Known for their leisurely pace, sloths spend their days lounging in the canopy. Will you be able to spot these slow-moving mammals high above the forest floor? Fellow adventurers, as our journey through the jungle continues, we encounter a delightful category of creatures, the friendly inhabitants of these lush surroundings. What species of animal is this? Elephant. Elephants are big and wise. Watch them walk slowly in the forest. They're very gentle. Can you guess the name of this animal? Zebra. Zebras have stripes like pajamas. Watch them run gracefully across the savannah. They're always on the move. What animal is this? Dolphin. Dolphins swim in rivers and are very smart. Can you see them jumping out of the water? What creature is this? Butterfly. Butterflies have pretty wings and fly around flowers. Look for them fluttering in the sunlight. Can you name this animal? Capuchin monkey. Capuchin monkeys have funny faces and love to play. Great job, explorers! You've done an amazing job finding the friendly animals in the jungle. It shows how much you appreciate all the different creatures that call this place home. But guess what? Our adventure isn't finished yet. There are still lots more amazing things to discover in the jungle. So, keep exploring and having fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Simplexity Kids for more exciting adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!
In this exciting video, we're playing a super fun and educational game called Guess the Body Parts. Get ready to test your knowledge as we explore different parts of the human body together. Can you guess which body part we're describing? Join us for a fun-filled adventure of learning and discovery. Let's get started. What is the part of the body that pumps blood? It's heart. What do we use to breathe in air? It's lungs. Which body part helps us see things? It's eyes. What do we use to hear sounds? It's ears. What is the part of the body that helps us smell? It's nose. Which body part helps us taste food? It's tongue. What is the hard part of our body that covers our head? It's skull. What are the parts of the body that help us walk? It's legs. Which body part helps us hold things? It's hands. Which body part do we stand on? It's feet. What do we use to speak and eat? It's mouth. What is the part of the body where our food goes after we eat? It's stomach. What helps us feel things when we touch them? It's skin. What is the soft part inside our head that helps us think? It's brain. What is the part of the body that holds our bones together? It's muscles. What is the part of the body that helps us move our arms? It's shoulders. Which organ is responsible for filtering waste products from the blood? It's kidneys. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? It's liver. What organ is responsible for storing and releasing bile to aid in digestion? It's gallbladder. Which organ produces insulin and helps regulate blood sugar levels? pancreas. Thanks for joining us on Simplexity Kids. We hope you had fun playing and learned something new about the world around us.
Welcome back to Simplexity Kids, where we delve into the world of superheroes. Today, we've got an exciting challenge for you. We're going to test your superhero knowledge. This is a quiz with a twist. We will be showing you female counterparts of some well-known male superheroes. Your task? Guess the male counterpart. See how many you get right. Let's jump straight into it. Easy level. Alright, let's start with some easy ones to warm you up. Who do you think this is? The answer is Superman. This one's a bit tricky. Is it another caped crusader? The answer is Batman. Here's a hint. Think small. The answer is Ant-Man. Flying into the scene, who is this? The answer is Captain America. Tough one, right? The answer is Iron Man. Thundering in, is it someone with a striking resemblance? The answer is Thor. Wakanda forever, who is this fierce warrior? The answer is Black Panther. Watch out for those claws. The answer is Wolverine. Breaking the fourth wall, is it another merc with a mouth? The answer is Deadpool. Last one for the easy round, is it someone else turning green with envy or not? The answer is Hulk. Medium difficulty level. Now that you've warmed up, let's up the ante with some medium level challenges. Speeding through, is it someone else with a lightning fast pace? The answer is Flash. Casting spells left and right, is it another master of the mystic arts? The answer is Doctor Strange. Mind bending, isn't it? The answer is Professor X. Sharpshooting into view, is it another skilled archer? The answer is Green Arrow. Glowing with power, is it another protector of the galaxy? The answer is Green Lantern. Taking aim, is it someone else with pinpoint accuracy? The answer is Hawkeye. Surf's up, is it another cosmic traveler? The answer is Silver Surfer. Chilling, isn't it? Is it another soldier from the cold? The answer is Winter Soldier. From the depths of darkness, is it another demon-born hero? The answer is Hellboy. Heating things up, is it someone else ablaze with power? The answer is Human Torch. Hard level. Alright, you've made it this far. Now, let's see if you can crack these harder ones. Rocky terrain ahead. Who is made of stone? The answer is the Thing. From the stars above, is it another intergalactic adventurer? The answer is Peter Quill. Is it another hero from the indie scene? The answer is Scott Pilgrim. This one's got heightened senses. Is it a fearless counterpart? The answer is Daredevil. Diving into the depths, is it another ruler of the seas? The answer is Aquaman. But wait, there's more. We've got a special bonus round for you featuring a fan favorite hero. Can you guess who this fierce fighter is who is ready to shell out some justice? And the answer is Raphael from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Great job if you got that one right. And that wraps up our superhero challenge. How did you do? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more superhero fun. Until next time, stay heroic, Simplexity kids.
This is Guess the Profession in 5 seconds. It might sound easy, but the quiz gets harder as we go. Before starting, please subscribe to the Simplexity Kids channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's begin. It's a teacher. It's a doctor. It's a firefighter. It's a police officer. It's a chef. It's an astronaut. It's a veterinarian. It's a pilot. It's an artist. It's an athlete. It's a scientist. It's a farmer. It's a zookeeper. It's an actor. It's a science teacher. It's a math teacher. It's an engineer. It's a construction worker. It's a baker. It's a bus driver. It's a train driver. It's a sailor. It's a fisherman. It's a lifeguard. It's a park ranger. It's a librarian. It's an architect. It's a dentist. It's a nurse. It's a paramedic. It's a journalist. It's a photographer. It's a chef. It's a magician. It's an explorer. It's a paleontologist. It's an archaeologist. It's a pirate. It's a clown. It's a circus performer. It's a fashion designer. It's a police detective. It's a forest ranger. It's a game developer. It's a marine biologist. It's an environmentalist. It's a meteorologist. It's a plumber. It's a banker. It's a geologist. How many different professions were you able to get? Let us know how you did in the comments section. Thank you so much for playing. This is Guess the Landmark Name in 5 seconds. It might sound easy, but the quiz gets harder as we go. Before starting, please subscribe to the Simplexity Kids channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's begin. What is the name of this iconic tower located in France? It's Eiffel Tower. Which landmark in India is known as the symbol of love? It's Taj Mahal. This ancient wonder is found in Egypt and is one of the 7 wonders of the world. What is its name? It's Great Pyramid of Giza. Which American landmark is famous for its giant stone faces? It's Mount Rushmore. What is the name of the famous clock tower in London? It's Big Ben, Elizabeth Tower. This colossal statue of Jesus overlooks the city of Rio de Janeiro. What is it called? It's Christ the Redeemer. Which landmark in China is the largest man-made structure on Earth? It's Great Wall of China. What is the name of the ancient city carved into the sandstone cliffs of Jordan? It's Petra. This circular amphitheater in Rome is one of the most iconic landmarks from ancient times. What is it called? It's Colosseum. Which American landmark is a symbol of freedom and stands on Liberty Island in New York Harbor? It's Statue of Liberty. What is the name of the famous ancient stone circle in England? It's Stonehenge. This famous opera house is located in Sydney, Australia. What is its name? It's the Sydney Opera House. Which American landmark is known as America's Playground? It's the Las Vegas Strip. What is the name of the ancient city in Italy that was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius? It was Pompeii. This iconic bridge spans the Golden Gate Strait in California. What is its name? It's the Golden Gate Bridge. Which landmark in Spain is an ancient Islamic palace and fortress? It's called Alhambra. What is the name of the famous waterfall on the border of Canada and the United States? It's the Niagara Falls. What is the name of the tower in Italy that leans to one side? It's Leaning Tower of Pisa. Which American landmark is famous for its colorful geothermal pools? It's the Yellowstone National Park. What is the name of the ancient city in Egypt known for its temple complexes and tombs? Its name is Luxor. This structure, located in Australia, is the largest coral reef system in the world. What is its name? It's Great Barrier Reef. This ancient stone structure in England is believed to have been a burial site. What is it called? It's called Avebury Stone Circle. Which landmark in France is a medieval cathedral known for its flying buttresses and gargoyles? It's the Notre Dame Cathedral. What is the name of the ancient city in Cambodia known for its elaborate temples? It's called Angkor Wat. This natural wonder in the United States is one of the world's largest canyons. What is it called? It's called the Grand Canyon. How many different places were you able to guess? Let us know how you did in the comments section. Thank you so much for playing. This is our Guess the Flags game. The rules are simple. You will have 5 seconds each to guess the flag. But don't worry, we do give you 3 options to help. The quiz gets harder as we go. Before starting, please subscribe to the Simplexity Kids channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's begin. Can you guess the flag? Argentina. Which country does this flag belong to? France. Identify the flag. Canada. This flag represents which nation? Germany. Which country's flag is this? Japan. Recognize the flag. Finland. Identify the flag. India. This flag belongs to which nation? Russia. Recognize the flag. United Arab Emirates. Identify the flag. Nigeria. Which country does this flag represent? Switzerland. This flag belongs to which nation? Turkey. Recognize the flag. Thailand. Identify the flag. Afghanistan. Which country does this flag belong to? Colombia. This flag represents which nation? Ecuador. Recognize the flag. North Korea. Identify the flag. Italy. flag represent? Fiji. This flag belongs to which nation? Denmark. Recognize the flag. Mexico. Identify the flag. Philippines. Which country does this flag belong to? Ireland. This flag represents which nation? Sweden. Recognize the flag. Cambodia. Identify the flag. Greece. Which country does this flag represent? Chile. This flag belongs to which nation? Hungary. Recognize the flag. Belarus. Identify the flag. Ethiopia. Which country does this flag belong to? Romania. This flag represents which nation? Venezuela. Recognize the flag. Estonia. Identify the flag. Slovenia. Which country does this flag represent? Tunisia. This flag belongs to which nation? Panama. Recognize the flag. El Salvador. Identify the flag. Nepal. Which country does this flag belong to? Angola. This flag represents which nation? Laos. Recognize the flag. Syria. Identify the flag. Iceland. Which country does this flag belong to? Ivory Coast. This flag represents which nation? Sri Lanka. Recognize the flag. Malta. Identify the flag. Cameroon. Which country does this flag belong to? South Sudan. This flag represents which nation? Turkmenistan. Recognize the flag. Liechtenstein. Identify the flag. St. Kitts and Nevis, how many different flags were you able to guess? Let us know how you did in the comments section. Thank you so much for playing. Get ready to test your geography skills in our exciting game of Guess the Map. Can you identify countries from their outlines? Stay tuned as we challenge your knowledge of world geography. Can you identify the country represented by this map? It's France. Which nation's outline is depicted in this map? It's Greece. What country does this map outline belong to? It's South Africa. Do you recognize the countries shown in this map? It's Ethiopia. Which nation's territory is shown in this map? It's Japan. Identify the country corresponding to this map's outline. It's Madagascar. Can you name the country illustrated by this map? It's Morocco. Which country's borders are displayed in this map? It's Egypt. What is the name of the country whose map is shown here? It's Libya. Which nation does this map represent? It's Tunisia. Can you identify the country represented by this map? It's Brazil. Which nation's outline is depicted in this map? It's Venezuela. What country does this map outline belong to? It's Algeria. Do you recognize the country shown in this map? It's Turkey. Which nation's territory is shown in this map? It's Yemen. Identify the country corresponding to this map's outline. It's Ukraine. Can you name the country illustrated by this map? It's Saudi Arabia. Which country's borders are displayed in this map? It's Australia. What is the name of the country whose map is shown here? It's Guyana. Which nation does this map represent? It's New Zealand. Can you identify the country represented by this map? It's Suriname. Which nation's outline is depicted in this map? It's Bangladesh. Thanks for joining us on Simplexity Kids. We hope you had fun playing Guess the Map and learned something new about the world around us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational games and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your horizons with us. Guess the country on the map. There are 3 levels with different points for correct answers. Good luck. Easy level here. You will get 10 points for each correct answer. What country is this? It's Italy. Which country is this? It's China. Which country is this? It's United States of America. What country is this? It's Australia. Which country is this? It's Russia. What country is this? It's Iceland. Which country is this? It's Egypt. Which country is this? It's Canada. What country is this? It's South Africa. Which country is this? It's United Kingdom. Medium level here. You will get 20 points for each correct answer. Which country is this? It's India. What country is this? It's Brazil. Which country is this? It's Greece. Which country is this? It's United Arab Emirates. What country is this? It's Japan. Which country is this? It's Turkey. Which country is this? It's Argentina. Which country is this? It's Morocco. What country is this? It's Spain. Which country is this? It's France. Hard level here. You will get 30 points for each correct answer. What country is this? It's Germany. What country is this? It's South Korea. Which country is this? It's Chile. What country is this? It's Ukraine. Which country is this? It's Denmark. What country is this? It's Libya. Which country is this? It's Indonesia. Which country is this? It's North Korea. What country is this? It's Iran. Which country is this? It's Iraq. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quiz videos.